Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do that screw strap exercise in Fusion 360 and it went pretty well. So let's have fun with Fusion 360. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. And this might look something like that. So I didn't want to snap here. Yeah, it's okay. Now give it some dimensions. This should be 20. That might be 7. This distance could be 32.5 and that one might be 14.5. I can use those axes, so I don't need to draw one in the sketch. Let's go for patch and create a revolve with this sketch, and the axis should be this one, and I want to go for 360 degrees and confirm. Next I need a plane with an offset to this one, and the offset should be 115 minus 65 divided by 2. Then go for a sketch on this plane, and this looks something like that. Align those 2 points horizontal, add some dimensions. This could or should be 45, and that distance might be 7.5. The distance to that origin should be 29.9, and it should be symmetric. Therefore I will create a point at the midpoint, and then I can align this one and that one vertical. Stop that sketch. Now I want to make an extrude, and the great thing here is I could select that line only. That's great. So go for create, extrude, uncheck chaining, and then you can select just one line, and the distance in that direction should be minus 42.5. Great. Another sketch on that plane, the ZY plane, and I want to use those already existing faces, so we'll go for project or intersect or include. So go for intersect, select this one, confirm. Let's see if I got already a line. No. So we'll draw a line from this point to that point. Great. Stop this sketch. Make another extrude. Again, uncheck chaining and select just that line. And the distance of that extrusion should be 30. Let's reverse the normal of this one and confirm. I could hide the first body Now I want to do a loft from this face to that face and edge. Confirm. Then stitch those together. Stitch this one, that one, this one. Confirm. And make a fillet on this edge and that edge, and those should be 15 millimeter. Very nice. I need an offset surface. Create offset from this one in that direction, and so this should be -7 millimeter. Let's show our body. I don't need it at the moment, but I want to see, I think that was sketch 3, yeah. I want to make a sweep. So create sweep. The profile should be just that line here, and the path, yeah, change selection would be too much, so I go for this one. And a new body, yes, and okay. Let's reverse the normal of this face. Okay, and you could mirror it or go for another one. So go for another one, go for create, sweep, select that line, go for the path, select, those edges and confirm, and again reverse the normal of this one. Nice. I need another sketch on the ZX plane, so go for that plane, and that would be a rectangle. Like that. Maybe show that body as well. Give it a dimension 12. Now I want to put that line onto that edge. So maybe I look from the bottom. Let's move this a little bit in that direction. And I want this edge to be my sketch, so I will go for project, that edge into my sketch, and OK. And this should be for construction only. Then make this line and that projected line collinear. Now I want it to be symmetric, therefore we'll put a point right there on the middle, and then a line, no, horizontal or vertical, this point and that point. Stop that sketch. I want to make an extrude with that sketch, and that might be 40, for example, and OK. And now I could start to trim. Let's hide some of those bodies, maybe this for the moment, and those two for the moment. Now let's trim, modify, trim. This will be the tool, and this should be removed. Okay, repeat, that's the tool, remove this. Okay, now repeat trim, select that as trim tool and remove the outside. So it seems it doesn't work. Let's see. No, it works. There was just no color change. Okay. Then repeat the trim once more with this as tool, and this should be removed, and okay. Now I want to reverse the normal here. Reverse normal like that, and okay. Let's show body 1. Sadly, Fusion crashed, so I have to try once more. Let's go for patch, go for trim, and I want to use, let's say, this as a tool, and want to remove this one and that face, and okay. Then I want to use that as a tool, but sadly I lost my stitch, so I want to stitch first. Stitch this one and that one, confirm, and now I should be able to trim with that body this surface away. Okay, great. Another trim, use this one and trim that face away. Okay. Let's show our sweeps and stitch this surface, that surface, this one and that one, and okay. Let's see if we can use now that as tool. So go for another trim, use that as tool, and I want to remove that face. Great. What's left to do? I have to trim that face away, because that body, yeah, I have to trim this one and that one. So let's try. Go for another trim, use this as tool and try to remove this face and that face. Nice, worked. So apart from that crash, it went really well. So maybe hide all the sketches. Let's do another stitch. This and that. Okay. And now the fillets. Modify fillet. 4mm here and over there. And another fillet here, again 4mm. Another fillet here, 5mm. Another fillet on that edge, 4mm. And repeat the fillet and do one here and one there, 5mm. what has to be done. One circle on that face, 2 circles there, and I will leave that up to you. So I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.